Hi friends, welcome to Non-Functional Club. As a part of our interview question series, today we'll look into two more important questions. So let's begin. The questions we'll be looking today are: what scenarios should be considered for sanity testing of the mobile application? The next one would be: what are the types of bugs which are commonly found on mobile applications while testing them? So let's look into the first question. First question we have is the scenarios which should be considered for sanity testing on mobile application. So first and foremost would be installation and uninstallation of the application. So whenever you are getting a new build for testing, the prominent thing which will be tested should be installation and uninstallation of the application. Maybe you are using iOS or Android device, the application installation should be very much smooth, and similarly uninstallation should be smooth. So there should not be any issue while performing this particular activity. Next would be how our application is behaving on different set of networks, that is 2G, 3G, 4G or Wi-Fi. So it should be smoothly functioning across all these particular networks, because end user will have any of this particular network on his device. Then we have functional testing. So under this aspect, we would have specific test cases which we should be considered. That would be our priority test cases, and all these test cases should be in pass state for the application should be to be considered for further testing. Next is interrupt testing. Interrupt testing is the process where we need or we test the application in terms of any interrupt which is present on the application. We have already seen in details about interrupt testing and the scenarios which we test under interrupt testing. So please look into the previous videos for interrupt testing. Next we have is compatibility testing. So under compatibility, our application should be compatible with different resolutions, different OS versions of the device. Next is application performance on other handsets. So whenever we consider an application to be released, we will have different sets of handsets, and the testing or the performance of the application should be very much good on all these particular handsets. Last would be the behavior of application when we enter invalid credentials. So this is kind of a negative scenario where we need to test if a particular application has login feature and we are entering some invalid characters, but still, or invalid credentials, and still the application is able to log in. So we won't be accepting such application as it is in false state. Let's move on to the next question. So what are the types of bugs which are usually found as a part of mobile application testing process? We have four type of bugs: critical bug, blocker bug, major and minor bug. Let's see in details. So when we deal with critical bugs, usually when you install the application on the device and then the device functioning is impacted by the application which is under test, then that device or that particular issue comes under critical bugs. So when you install the application on the device and the operating system crashes, or the system freezes, or the whole device freezes, so that particular case can be dealt with a critical bug. This issue should be fixed on priority, and the application cannot be tested further with this particular critical bug. On the similar category, next we have is blocker bugs. Again here, the performance of the application is impacted, like you're testing the application functionality, and because of that the device is unresponsive, or the application itself, like our application force closes in between when you're testing a particular functionality of the application, then it comes under blocker bug. Again, this particular issue should be fixed on priority. Next is a major bug. So major bug comes under the category where a particular feature of the application is not working properly. So suppose you have an application where you want to click the picture of the person, but when you're clicking, the photo is not grabbed or it is not stored somewhere. So that particular scenario comes under major bug. Next one is minor bug. So when we have certain issues with the resolution or the application's UI or the text, so that particular stuff comes under your minor bugs. Sometimes minor bugs are kept as it is if it is not impacting various number of devices, and that are considered in terms of patch releases or that are taken up in the next upcoming releases. So these are the characteristics or classification of bugs. So that's about today's two important interview questions. Do subscribe Non-Functional Club channel. Hope this session was useful. Thank you.